In this video, I want to introduce you to a pharmaceutical company known as Milestone. Milestone is a research firm located in Canada and just recently announced their IPO on the NASDAQ exchange. Milestone has designed and is in the development stages of a new drug they call Etripamil. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sure I'm not. Etripamil. Etripamil is a potential and fast-acting calcium channel blocker nasal spray that stops atrial fibrillation, or AF. Just quickly, when an individual experiences AF, the heart's two upper chambers, or atria, beat chronically, irregularly, and out of coordination with the two lower chambers, or ventricles. This is also known as rapid heartbeat. People who suffer from AF experience heart palpitations, shortness of breath, and weakness. Although AF itself is usually not life-threatening, it is a serious medical condition and can require medical treatment and is associated with significant increase in the risk of stroke and sudden cardiac arrest. People who suffer from AF will often give up performing important life events such as driving due to the possibility of the onset of dizziness and fainting. Milestone has a broad marketplace, as it's estimated that 6 million people within the U.S. alone suffer from AF. 25% of those individuals have sudden reoccurrences, while another 25% have persistent atrial fibrillation, and 50% have chronic or permanent atrial fibrillation. Can you imagine someone with permanent AF? Their heart continually beats upwards of 250 beats per minute, where the average individual's normal heart rate is around 60. The current treatment for AF is a daily drug intended to control heartbeat and rhythm. Unfortunately, regardless, breakthrough episodes still occur. And when they do, in advanced cases, individuals require a visit to an emergency facility to be given an IV, calcium channel blocker or beta blocker. Unfortunately, this can cause a delay of 30 to 90 minutes. Milestone's approach to this problem is to provide patients with a small nasal spray that they can administer themselves immediately upon an onset of AF. At this time, as of the date of this recording, Milestone has completed Phase 1 clinical trials and is currently in Phase 2 proof of concept study on individuals currently living with AF. Phase 2 results, published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, show that 87% of AF episodes were stopped within 15 minutes of using Etripamil. Okay, where are we right now? As of last week, Milestone, stock symbol MIST, went public in an effort to raise money to continue their research and clinical trials, and eventually to receive FDA approval. This is the list of their leadership team. And here's a list of their board of directors. Now, I'm not going to read through each one. I would encourage you to visit their website for details if you plan to invest. Their website is www.milestonepharma.com. This is the company that I wanted to bring to your attention and let you know that we are adding Milestone Pharmaceuticals to our IPO watch list. As you can see, on the day of their IPO, almost 1 million shares traded hands, and yesterday 73,000 shares traded hands, and on average about 10,000 shares are trading each day so far. Unfortunately, there are no options trading on Milestone, so we'll have to deal with just accumulating shares at this time. And as you can see, the stock is currently trading around $20 per share and broke new highs just today. I believe if clinical trials continue with the positive results they've experienced in Phase 1 and 2 so far, FDA approval should be a slam dunk, and Milestone could be a great investment for all involved. As a test purchase, we're adding approximately $5,000 of Milestone shares to our IPO portfolio. This has been Lan Turner for Revolutionary Breakthroughs, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and hit the little bell so you're reassured that you'll get notification when we post new Revolutionary Breakthroughs.